Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AWS Services series in which I'm trying to cover all the concepts of the services that AWS platform provides. We are on a part 6. I've already covered 5 episodes in this series. Make sure that you check them out in order to learn all the important services and concepts with me. Today we are going to learn about Amazon LightSail. So following is the compute index that I've covered so far. I've covered 5. This is the 6th one. Make sure that you see the first 5 episodes in the playlist. Okay, so what is LightSail in summary? LightSail, Amazon LightSail is an easy to use cloud platform offered by AWS that provides everything that we need to build an application or a website with a simple, straightforward pricing model. This is very important, especially for an independent developers or say small startups. You don't need, there are so many things that a cloud platform provides. You might not need everything, but you need something lightweight, which includes most of the commonly used services. That's what Amazon LightSail is about. It helps developers, small businesses, students to quickly get started with cloud computing by offering pre-configured virtual private servers, storage, databases, networking capabilities, and much more. So let's learn in detail. Amazon LightSail provides a simplified interface for creating and managing VPS, databases, storage, and networking. It comes with pre-configured instances of VPS, which is virtual private servers, with different operating systems and application stacks. The best part is that it has a monthly fixed pricing. That means it has a set of amount of resources for a fixed monthly fee. So that as a developer or as a startup, you know how much you're going to pay for the services. You can easily scale resources up and down to meet the needs of your application. You can create snapshots of your instances and databases for backup and recovery. Which also Amazon LightSail also provides managed databases, which means you can easily launch and manage MySQL, Postgres, MariaDB, all of that without actually taking the pain of installing, managing, maintaining, upgrading, etc. Networking, it also includes static IP addresses, DNS management, and load balancing. This also offers various developer tools, which includes some of the editors, code completion, etc. In all, if you are looking for a small, lightweight, pre-configured cloud setup to get your application started, Amazon LightSail is for you. We talked about some of the features, like it provides pre-configured VPS, which has application stacks like say WordPress if you want to run a blog, if you are running on a Linux, Apache MySQL, PHP based applications, Laravel, anything on PHP you can run LAMP. It also has Linux and Windows that you want to deploy different OS. Managed databases, you have MySQL, Postgres, and MariaDB. Networking, manage DNS zones, static IP addresses, create load balancers, etc. Storage, additional block storage volumes to your instances for increased capacity. All of this can be added or removed based on demand. You have access to complete monitoring, integration, and alerting system. You also have the automatic management tasks using LightSail's API. Pros, like I mentioned, it's simple, user-friendly interface, very simple, fixed and predictable monthly pricing, pre-configured instances, so you do quick deployments, you don't break your head there. Comprehensive set of features for small to medium scale applications. Let's talk about cons. Now, limited scalability compared to other AWS services like EC2 and RDS. Of course, when you're starting small, you don't need that much scalability at the beginning unless you're expecting like a million zillion users in one day from day one. Fewer configuration and customization options because it's a pre-configured one. There are few configurations that you can do to extend it. Like I mentioned, it's ideal for independent developers or say small startups, but not really ideal for large scale high performance applications. What are some of the real world use cases? Run a small hosting website or a blog with pre-configured applications like WordPress or LAMP, etc. It's if you want to try out your web application, just quickly get a quick hosting, you can use Amazon LightSail. If you want to learn about cloud computing or trying to do a project as part of your college project or student homework, you can still use Amazon LightSail. You can also run small businesses which are kind of straightforward, predictable using Amazon LightSail. So in short, if you are looking for a pre-configured lightweight version where you can run your application, Amazon LightSail is for you. Like I talked about some of the real world applications, you can use this for a group of students to do a collaborative project. Freelancers use and test web applications on LightSail. Small independent developers like me or startups can use LightSail to quickly prototype and deploy their MVP product before scaling up. These are some of the real-time use cases. Alright, thank you so much for joining in this episode. I hope you're enjoying this series. Please do hit that like, share and subscribe button for me. In the next episode, I'll cover about AWS Batch and it would be fun. If you like my tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next. We'll continue learning about the AWS services. Thank you.